first of all, you want to import your 5.1 WAV file from the Sound Designer into Premiere. If you double click it and look at the waveforms in your source viewer, you should see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tracks, left, right, center, left, left surround, right surround. Next we need to create a sequence that's 5.1 because your current sequence is stereo. The only way to do this in Premiere is to create a new sequence, so we're going to have to create a new sequence and bring these clips from your edit into this new sequence. What you want to do is make sure that you record that you note the sequence settings because you want to match it. So look at your frame rate, look at the resolution, look at this information here. Not a bad idea to get a screenshot, Command-Shift-4 on your Alpha keyboard, so that way you can verify it. So we're going to go to File, New, Sequence, and let me bring up that screenshot. Want to verify, okay, 23.976, 1280 by 720. That's not your resolution, that's the resolution of this particular video. 23.976, 1280 by 720. And let's double check this. It should be all good. Square pixels, no fields, blah blah blah. That's good. Okay. And then we're going to go to the Tracks tab, and we're going to change this from stereo to 5.1. That's the super important thing to do. You want to make sure you have enough tracks in your sequence to accommodate as many audio tracks as that you use. So if we've used, let's say, 8 audio tracks down in our sequence, we want to put the plus sign. Leave these as standard. However, you need to create one more track other than the ones that you have, and we're going to change that to 5.1. So audio 9 is 5.1. Let's name this whatever is appropriate. Click OK. So we have this empty sequence here. We'll go to our original sequence and we're going to select all the clips. Make sure you get all the clips on the timeline, and copy it, and go to your new sequence. Make sure you're at the beginning timeline, hit paste, then it should paste all of your clips in. Scrub through to make sure it's looking good, and then you're going to take your 5.1 wave. It's going to go down to 9, which is a 5.1 track. You can see it says 5.1 right there. We're going to send that down to that track. So here we have our 5.1 audio track below the other audio tracks, which I'm going to disable. If you look at your meters, you will notice that you're going to have 6 meters bouncing around. That means you're good. Okay, so we're going to set our out point. We're going to go to Export and choose your export settings. We're going to do a ProRes, just because that'll look a little better and won't have artifacting. And we want to go down to audio and verify that we are outputting a 5.1. Once that's all set, send it to where we need to send it. Let's take a look at that file to make sure that it's in fact 5.1. If we double click it, it'll open a QuickTime player. If we go to the inspector and look under audio details, you'll see channels 5.1, LCR, LFE, LS, and RS. You should be good to go.